Welcome to 5124 Fino. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home is located in the Tierrasanta area of San Diego. You enter the home into a carpeted living room with a wood burning fireplace and vaulted ceilings. This living room has ample space for entertainment. Just beyond your living room, you have your kitchen area, a nice sized pantry with a corner for a dining space, and a kitchen with lots of cabinets and counter space. Right off the kitchen, you have your patio. Minimal landscape. And access to a 2-car garage. Also through the back, you have an alleyway here for easy entrance to the home. Now we'll head back into the home. And as we come into the hallway, we have a linen closet for lots of storage, as well as a coat closet. To the left, we have your master suite with the full bath. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a queen-size bed. And you have mirrored wall closet doors. And a secondary closet. Make our way back into the hallway. To our left, we have your half bath. And just to our right, we have your washer and dryer. Then lastly, we have the second room. Lots of natural light. And a pocket closet. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a full-size bed.